Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Monica Christy Alfioni, NPM 22411027, kelas manajemen 22A. Selection and placement. Definition. Understanding selection. Selection is a necessary step in the recruitment process carried out by the company quarterly so that it gets employees expected. The following are several expansions regarding definition selection according to several sources. Selection is the process of selecting people who have the necessary qualification to fill to the job vacancy. Without an employee's quality, a company has a smaller probability to success. Selection descriptions are the important part of successful HR management process in organizational performance. For an employer may differ from change in the program, intensive, better training, or more job design. Good, but if employment don't start with people who recruit who have the capability, who are ready to work. This result may not occur. Definition of placement. Placement is the next step of the selection process into the placement step in carried out with the hope that company able to get a good quantity and quality of work from someone employed. The following are several expenses regarding definition placement according to several sources. Selection. In the process of selection, people will have to the necessary qualification to fill the job vacancy. Placing someone into the right job position. Most importantly, human resource placement must be seen as a process matching. If an employee is suited to the job, it will be affecting the number and quality of the employment. Work matching in the directed training and the operation cost individuals who are unable to produce the quantity and quality of work expended. It can cause significant loss of money and the time which is hoped for the company. Selection tips. To start the selection process, companies fulfill the condition. First, there is a need for labor and the ability to appoint which comes from the labor specialist. Current companies must have the saving standard to compare needs with processes employment. This is represented by the job specification development through the job analysis that companies must have job application who can be selected for appointment. Scope of employment placement. Employer placement means allocating employment certain work position. This happens precisely to the employees supposed to all employees who have held positions or job, including the target functions of the employee placement in the sense of the return of position or move into another position. The placement. This relationship includes promotion, transfer, and demotion. The two definitions above indicate the employment placement indicator of after the employment contract has passed the selection. This is not the case. This only applies to new employment but also applies to employee placement. To the definition above indicate the placement of all employment, both promotion and the transfer of duties and demotions. Purpose of placement. The purpose of placement is to get employees placed in the positions that match their potential and abilities. An effective placement process will help employees to develop and achieve job satisfaction. Benefit placement selection. 1. Helping companies to get qualification employment with the needs. 2. Increase employment productivity and performance. 3. Reduce recruitment and training costs. 4. Increase employment job satisfaction. 5. Create a positive work environment. Placement consultation. Selection and the placement are two important processes in HR management, and effective selection process will help companies to get quality employees where their needs. An effective placement process will help employees to develop and open to the company. Thank you.